Today, we have some exciting news straight from the world of Samsung. They're cooking up something big again, and this time it's all about the Galaxy S25 series. So Samsung has been making headlines recently with their plans for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 phones. But guess what? They have already got their eyes set on the next big thing, the Galaxy S25 series. According to recent leaks, Samsung is experimenting with not one, not two, but four different designs for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks to a news source called PandaFlash, we've had a sneak peek at what these designs might look like, and let me tell you, they're turning heads. As you can see, there are subtle variations in the designs, particularly noticeable in the front panel. This aligns with earlier rumors hinting at a fresh look for the Galaxy S25 series, building upon the changes introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. From slimmer edges to rounded frames, Samsung seems to be cooking up some fresh looks for their flagship series. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can we trust these leaks? Well, while PandaFlash might be a news source on the block, we've also got whispers from some trusted leakers who hint at a major design overhaul for the Galaxy S25 lineup. But it's not just about looks. Under the hood, these phones are expected to pack a punch. We're talking about Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which is set to power most models of the Galaxy S25 series. Of course, Samsung might throw in their own Exynos 2500 chip in some regions, but either way, expect blazing fast performance. And speaking of speed, rumor has it that Samsung is upping the ante with faster storage to supercharge AI capabilities. Now, you might not need your phone to be lightning fast for everyday tasks, but trust me, when it comes to AI and future updates, every bit of speed counts. There's talk coming out of South Korea that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could outshine even Apple's 8 chip in benchmark tests. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about single-core scores that could leave the competition in the dust, not to mention a GPU that's set to take mobile gaming to new heights. But hold on, folks, because Qualcomm has something big in store for us. They've teased the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, set to be unveiled this October. With Oryon cores and a beefed-up main core, this chipset promises to deliver unrivaled performance. Sure, there might be concerns about power consumption with increased clock speeds, but hey, Qualcomm knows what they're doing. They'll find a way to keep things cool. And there you have it, folks. The Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse with sleek designs and blistering performance. But hey, that's just what the rumors say. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 lineup? Are you excited about the new designs and specs? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and as always, stay tuned for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. Peace out.